In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Instagram account to your Gmail account. Whether you're updating your contact information or simply aiming for better connectivity, it's a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Instagram account. Before you do that, ensure you have your login credentials handy because we'll be diving into your account settings. Once you're logged in successfully, direct your attention to your profile, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile option. This area is essentially your go-to hub for making any adjustments to your personal details on Instagram. Click on it, and you'll see a few more options to explore. For our task today, you'll want to navigate to Personal Details. Interestingly, you'll need to click on Personal Details twice, first from the main profile editing page and once more from the subsequent menu. Now, keep your focus on the Contact Info section. This is where you'll begin to link your Gmail account to your Instagram account. Look for the Add New Contact option. By selecting this, you're taking the first step in associating a new email address with your Instagram profile. Right after this, you'll see the option to Add Email. This is where things start getting exciting, because you're just moments away from connecting your account to Gmail. When prompted, enter your new Gmail address. A quick tip here: double-check your email for accuracy. It's easy to mistype, and the last thing you want is to link an incorrect email address. After inputting the address, ensure Instagram is selected as the account you want to associate with this new email. This step guarantees that your Gmail is accurately linked to your social media presence, closing any gaps in communication. It's important to note that adding this new email will automatically replace the previous email associated with your Instagram account. This can be quite helpful if you're updating to a new preferred email address. Finally, completing these steps not only integrates your new email address into Instagram but also effectively links your Instagram activity to your Gmail account, centralizing your digital communication effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Instagram account with your Gmail address, enhancing your connectivity across platforms. This small integration can streamline your digital life, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.